In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to convert normal footage into an outline sketch drawing style video. This effect detects the edges of objects and turns them into visible outlines, making the video look like a drawing. Let's get started. First, select your clip on the timeline. Now go to the Effects panel and search for Find Edges. Drag and drop the effect onto your clip. Next, open the Effect Controls panel. You'll see the Invert option. When this is enabled, the colors are inverted and the outlines appear white on a dark background. This can create a stronger sketch drawing style. If you keep invert disabled, you'll get darker outlines over a brighter background. You can also adjust blend with original if you want to mix some of the original video with the sketch effect. This can help preserve a bit of the original footage while still keeping the drawing look. I will play the clip and experiment with these settings until the footage looks like an animated outline sketch. This effect works great for creative edits, comic style visuals, stylized intros, and artistic video effects. And that's it. You've successfully created an outline sketch drawing effect using the Find Edges effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.